Hey guys, it's Eric and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about home gardens and food deserts. You learning how to grow food at home can limit the spread of food deserts in your community. According to the USDA, there are at least 35 food deserts located right here in the Atlanta area. Most of them are in Cobb County, Fulton County, and DeKalb County. Food deserts are places in your state, city, or local community where people do not have quick and easy access to fresh produce. By you growing your own food at home, you can inspire others to do the same, creating a domino effect of home gardens. With home gardens, you can grow anything from celery to green beans to even pineapple. Some plants that will grow quick and easy for you are tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, collard greens, and snap peas. The city of Stone Mountain, right here in Georgia, is considered a food desert because their residents do not have quick and easy access to fresh food. If you live in an area that is considered a food desert and you begin to grow your own food at your home, then you are producing an area in your community that has fresh food, and you can also be helping the environment, providing a source of pollen for bumblebees, butterflies, and birds. To know more about food deserts and to see if you live in one, you can go to usda.gov to check out their Food Environment Atlas. The link will be down below in the description box. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you learned something. If you have, tell us what you learned down in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.